We just got to the park.
Berkeley's on the phone with Clarissa.
What? With Emily? Yes.
Wait. I've never been on a seesaw before.
This isn't exactly a seesaw.
Well, whatever.
It's like just a bouncy thing.
Oh, so you left it at the house?
I'm on a seesaw, so I'm bouncing up and down.
I can't put myself back on.
I hope you fall.
I'm not gonna fall. I'm not. I love those.
The car things?
No, the dirt wrappers.
Well, me too. Alyssa, come here.
These are fun. We're gonna unscrew them off.
That's what they're for, retard. Oh, I'm still recording.
I could have sworn your mom took it.